Your continued support of the CoinSeries channel is much appreciated. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSeries. Who came to our channel CoinSeries? You will always be info with the latest CoinSeries news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Ripple turned down SEC's $20 million offer because of the company's firm position against the SEC's rejection of the settlement offer over XRP classification. Stuart Alderanti, Chief Legal Officer of Ripple, disclosed on December 23 that the CSC had proposed a solution before the lawsuit that would have had Ripple publicly recognize XRP as a security and given the market a short period to fulfill regulatory requirements. However, Ripple had rejected this proposal. Even though all of these conditions were part of the proposed settlement, Ripple maintained its position and rejected the offer from the SEC for two key reasons. But this is irrelevant because neither XRP nor the SEC's crypto compliance framework have ever been created. In an effort to paraphrase Rody, the primary objective of the case is to establish that XRP is not a security and to terminate the 3-year-long legal battle that commenced on December 22 between Ripple and the SEC. It will be 3 years since Ripple Labs and the cryptocurrency XRP were embroiled in a legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Among the Ripple officials charged by the SEC of illegally raising over $1.03 billion was co-founder Christian Larson and CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Moreover, the SEC asserted that Garlinghouse and Larson had concealed sales of securities with a value of up to $600 million. This was in direct contradiction to the SEC's pledge made in the initial settlement offer to assist the market in complying with its decision on Ripple and the absence of explicit cryptocurrency regulations. No clear regulations for cryptocurrency compliance have been given as the SEC's action against Ripple has persisted for 3 years. The SEC, on the other hand, has been quite aggressive in its enforcement actions, suing major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. Looking back, it seems like Ripple's first pushback against the settlement was justified and strong. Argentina has taken a giant leap toward Bitcoin's legalization by allowing its citizens to utilize the cryptocurrency to settle contracts. If you would want further information, you can read the following article. The Council for Ripple sends his greetings and best wishes. Announcing Ripple's possible success this year in working with firms and high-ranking executives, Meta Lawman offered his congratulations in a statement. A degree of daring not seen from Ripple before in their 3 major court battles against the SEC this year, they declined to hand up lunch money to an intimidator. In a summary ruling issued on July 13, a judge and Alyssa Torres determined whether XRP could be used for retail transactions and as a security. The most alluring appeal, which had been pending since the middle of August, was rejected by Judge Torres on October 4. The SEC dropped all allegations against Chris Larson, co-founder of Ripple, and Brad Garlinghouse, CEO, on October 28. It is possible that the lawsuit, which was intended to be set to begin next year, would be terminated if the allegations against Ripple executives are dropped before the ultimate judgment date of April 23. The success of these initiatives has driven up the price of Ripple. The home of Brad Garland, SEC settlement and litigation involving XRP and cryptocurrency securities. 1M Christian Larson, Stuart Alderanti, and victory in court are 2 of the keywords that have been associated with this piece. The SEC has publicly announced its case against Ripple, claiming that the company misled investors by marketing its cryptocurrency, XRP, as a security. Ripple has previously hinted in one of its remarks that the SEC would behave in this way. This is just the most recent case of several that the government has brought against companies over the sale of tokens in initial coin offerings, ICOs. This case has the makings of the agency's most substantial cash on hand right now, what with its lawsuit against XRP and its deals with global central banks to employ distributed ledger technology to enable quicker transaction processing. When it comes to market capitalization, XRP is the cryptocurrency that ranks 3rd. Crypto ecosystem members are getting ready to discontinue supporting XRPX after its price plummeted following the federal government's complaint accusing Ripple of participating in the unauthorized issue of securities. Like a previous complaint that Ripple investors lodged against the firm last year, this one alleges that Ripple's founders intended to sell unregistered shares in order to cheat and mislead investors. No indication of fraud is made in the SEC complaint, however. Claims have surfaced that Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse made $600 million in personal gains from selling their XRP cash during market fluctuations. According to the claims, the SEC refrained from mentioning fraud in their case. The lawsuit claims that without submitting the necessary documentation, Ripple was able to raise $1.38 billion from dealers and investors in the cryptocurrency market. Also covered in depth by the lawsuit is the centralized system for producing and distributing XRP. In 2012, the company's founders and workers were each given 100 billion XRP. The company established an escrow account and deposits monies into it on a monthly basis to maintain the value of the currency and cryptocurrency markets constant. This contradicts the conditions laid down by the Howey test, which were established in a 1946 Supreme Court decision. Because the SEC uses Ripple to assess whether a token is a security, and because Ripple has substantial commercial relationships that affect XRP's market cap, this has far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Legal action taken by the SEC can have far-reaching effects. Cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp, located in Luxembourg, has stopped trading and taking XRP deposits. This action shows how serious the crisis is, which has been shaking the Bitcoin ecosystem for the past week. Reportedly, market makers have stopped supporting the cryptocurrency XRP, leading to the liquidation of the XRP futures contracts, which were worth about billions of dollars. The market's liquidity could be further jeopardized if other exchanges are considering comparable moves. Bitwise Asset Management, a cryptocurrency asset management firm based in San Francisco, has announced that it will sell its 3.8% investment in XRP. This move continues a pattern that investors are keeping an eye on. A former SEC officer's perspective has also been incorporated. Former SEC Commissioner Joseph Grundfest is one of the current faculty members at Stanford Law. As reported in The Block, an online publication. On December 17, he stated that the agency should delay taking enforcement action against Ripple because the complaint will only lead innocent XRP investors to suffer great hardship. Regardless of the outcome, intermediaries will stop dealing in XRP because of the legal risk associated with the proceedings. Grundfest claims in his writings that XRP's value would plummet as a result of a lack of liquidity once word gets out about the proceedings. Today, everything shifted. If you enjoy what you see, please subscribe and give my channel a thumbs up. Until next time.